our third ballet episode. You've made it this far, and I'm so proud of you. Guess what? We have a new friend who's gonna teach us. Her name is Michaela, and she's been dancing ballet since she was 3. Michaela, what's your favorite thing about ballet?
I love ballet because it takes a lot of hard work and determination, and you can always keep getting better at it.
Let's get right into it.
Perfect. Our first move is our rond de jambe, which means circle of the leg. So we're gonna start in our first position with our hands on our hips. And we're gonna go say hi to 3 friends. And we're gonna go to the front friend's house, to the side, and to the back. Then we're gonna go all the way home. Then we'll go again.
So many friends.
Lots of friends' houses. Let's try it again faster. Front, side, back, home. Front, side, back, home. Awesome job.
Great job, guys.
Should we go on to our second move?
Let's go to the second move.
Second move is our sautés, which are little jumps. We're gonna make a diamond with our knees and then jump off the floor. And we're gonna do that 4 times with really pointed toes. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice
Ooh.
work.
That's hard.
It is hard. You gotta push through those feet. So we go 1 rond de jambe slow. Front, side, back. Go home. Then 2 faster. Front, side, back. Go home. Front, side, back. Go home. Then we have our 4 jumps.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. What about, I feel like my left leg is a little sad.
Yeah.
Kind of want some friends too.
I want some friends too. Let's find some friends for the left leg. Here we go. Let's say hi to the front friend on the left leg, to the side, and to the back. Then go home. Nice work. Should we try it faster?
I have a question. How do you not fall from the back?
Whoa, that's a good question. So in ballet, we have these roots pushing into the ground, kind of like a strong tree. You know when there's a storm and the trees, they blow like this? They don't fall over because they have roots. So we're gonna push our ballet roots all the way into the ground so we have nice, sturdy balance.
Got it.
Good question, Nua. Let's try it faster.
All right.
Here we go. Front, side, back. Go home. Front, side, back. Go home. Awesome.
I felt that tree.
Those roots, they save your life, save your ballet life. Now, let's do our jumps again, because we love jumping.
Yes.
But our jumps are gonna get exciting this time. And they open and they close.
Oh, here we go.
So we're gonna go like this. We go. Open, close. Open, close. Nice work, guys. And then our hands go whoop, right back onto our hips. Should we try all that together?
Let's do it from the left foot.
From the left foot. Here we go. Front, side, back. Go home. Faster, side, back. Go home. Front, side, back. Go home. Now we go open, close, open, close, all the way to our hips. Whoa, I feel like that was really good.
I think that was amazing. How did you guys do? Pretty good? Great. Well, let's go on to the next one then.
Let's do our third move. Our third move is our tombe pas de bourrée. And we're gonna step a little bit this way, just so we can step this way again. So we're gonna fall onto our leg, but don't get crazy, stay upright. Then we get to go back, side, front. Let's try the other leg. Tombe, fall, back, side, front. Should we get fancy with our arms?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's try to get fancy with our arms. So, story time. In ballet, in the old days, they used to dance for royalty, for kings and for queens.
Really?
Yes. So we're gonna say hello to the king and hello to the queen. Let's try it with the legs. Here we go. To the king, to the queen. Nice, let's try the other side. To the king, to the queen. Very good. Let's try that all together with our hands on our hips. We're gonna do it 2 times here and then 2 times to the king and the queen. Here we go. Tombe, back, side, front. Tombe, back, side, front. To the king, to the queen. To the king, to the queen. Very good. Now we have our bonus move, and it's a big passe. And then it goes all the way back down.
Wow, what a cool bonus move. Okay, do you guys remember from the beginning? How about we review?
Good idea, Nua. Here we go. Let's start from the top, nice and slow. Go front and side and back. Go home. Little faster. Front, side, back. Go home. Front, side, back. Go jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to your hips. Let's do the left. Front, side, back. Go home. Little faster. Front, side, back. Go home. Front, side, back. Go jump. Open, close, open, close. Back to the hips. Here's our tombe. Back, side, front. Other side tombe. Back, side, front. Let's do the arms to the king, to the queen. Bonus move, passe up. And all the way back down.
Okay, let's try with music. I think you're ready, so let's go for it. Great job, you guys. I hope you had so much fun. Thank you so much, Michaela, for teaching us, and hope to see you guys in the next ballet lesson. Bye.